Queen Camilla shared an update about King Charles's health amid his continued treatment for cancer during their royal tour of Italy. The King, 76, and Queen, 77, traveled to Italy for a state visit from April 7 to April 10, where Queen Camilla spoke to reporters about how her husband's work uplifts him amid his cancer treatment. Buckingham Palace announced in February 2024 that the King was diagnosed with cancer. "I think he loves his work, and it keeps him going. And I think it's wonderful, if you've been ill and you are recovering, you're getting better, and now he wants to do more and more and more. That's the problem," Queen Camilla said, according to BBC. "That's what he's driven by, helping others." When presented with the idea that her husband might lighten his workload, the Queen had a cheeky response to shoot down the thought. "Dream on." Queen Camilla previously described King Charles as a complete workaholic, saying last year that he won't slow down despite his treatment. Queen Camilla exclusively told people they were having a wonderful visit in Italy. Join the royal inner circle. Hit like, comment, and subscribe for exclusive British royal family updates. Click the bell for breaking news alerts. Let's dive into the world of royalty together. "We're having a wonderful visit. We're very sad to be going home," the Queen told people on the ground in Ravenna, the final stop of their tour. When asked if they were having a good trip, the King said, "Yes, thank you very much." The monarch packed 20 engagements into the trip to Italy, which marked his first international trip of the year and overlapped with his 20th wedding anniversary with Queen Camilla on April 9. The couple met with Pope Francis in a stop that was originally called off out of concern for the Pope's health, and palace sources described that time as a highlight for them. Senior palace officials said the King and Queen both came away feeling that it had been a very significant and special moment, and echoed Queen Camilla's emphasis that the King is driven to make an impact. "He knows he is fortunate to be in a position to make a difference, and is determined to do just that," a senior palace official said about the sovereign, BBC reported. A little more than a week before the King and the Queen arrived in Italy, Buckingham Palace announced that he was admitted to the hospital after experiencing an adverse reaction to his routine cancer treatment. A little more than a week before the King and the Queen arrived in Italy, Buckingham Palace announced that he was hospitalized after experiencing an adverse reaction to his routine treatment for cancer. He cancelled his plans for that afternoon and the following day, but undertook paperwork and went back to public-facing work on April 1. "The most minor bump in the road that's very much heading in the right direction," a royal source said. King Charles and Queen Camilla left Italy from Ravenna on April 10 and continued their anniversary celebrations over the weekend, hearing a new score composed by Paul Mealer in honor of their anniversary during a church service at Crithy Kirk near Balmoral Castle in Scotland on April 13. Thanks for watching. Don't miss out on royalty. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for exclusive updates. See you in the next video.